time hanging on to the side of the car.
Is that the phone now?
I don't think so. Whoa, 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 Pickle. Pickle! She's getting right up.
excited.
She's getting right up there and she'll go around a corner and flop out the bloody window.
Close the window.
Sort it out, Pickle.
Close it a little bit.
Just sort yourself out, Pickle.
It's a bit of a windy road, this one.
Just a little.
דרך בזיגזג. Almost 180 degrees turns around here. מרגיש כמו בקארטינג. Oh shit!
Damn!
Oh shit! That's some guy with balls, this one. I was wondering about the thing, like how trucks are going around here. That's how trucks are going around here. Concentrating on staying on the road and the turn.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good thing.
I will see the video.
All that separates you from a big drop is a line of bricks on the side of the road.
No, I'm not. I'm fully concentrated here.
It's quite intense.
Yeah, it is. Especially with this truck. That is driving a semi-trailer. A lot of power.
All the stuff's flying around in the back of the car.
You're a bag flopping around.